Cancer, Pluto has been quietly shaping your life for nearly 15 years. From 2008 to 2024, Pluto stayed in Capricorn, pressing you to survive, take responsibility, and grow under constant pressure. Every step felt heavier, every decision came with weight, and you were often measured against others' expectations. You felt like life was always demanding more than it was giving back. Career pressure, family responsibilities, and the slow grind of daily life became your normal. Now, Pluto has moved into Aquarius, and the energy is completely different. This isn't about surviving anymore, it's about mental freedom, personal expression, and finding your authentic voice. You're stepping into a cycle where unconventional ideas, community, and collaboration support your growth. You'll notice a sense of relief internally, and the external world will begin responding differently to you as well. Starting January 11th, patterns that have felt heavy for over a decade begin shifting. Let's open the cards to see what this looks like for Cancer. The first card is the Ten of Wands. This card shows all the pressure you've been carrying. Responsibilities, obligations, and invisible burdens, family, work, finances, all have sat on your shoulders. It's not that you weren't capable, it's that the energy surrounding you was designed to test patience, endurance, and resilience. The Ten of Wands also reminds you that carrying so much comes with consequences. Fatigue, self-doubt, and overextending yourself became normal. But from January 11th onward, this weight starts to lift. You're learning to release what isn't yours to carry. You keep your responsibilities, but shed the unnecessary, imposed ones. Practically, this means setting boundaries in your work, finances, and personal life. Saying no when needed and prioritizing your energy becomes natural. You start recognizing where your effort truly matters and where it has been wasted. Spiritually, this card signals awareness. Finally see which responsibilities are yours and which are remnants of the past cycle. The survival mode that defined you for years starts to fade, and clarity takes its place. The second card is the Eight of Swords, reflecting mental blocks that have slowed you. These weren't real limitations, but fears and beliefs inherited from family, society, or old experiences. Doubts like, am I enough, or can I do this, have repeated for years. Emotionally, the Eight of Swords reminds you that being stuck wasn't failure. It was part of Pluto's lessons in Capricorn. Your mind was protecting you while teaching patience and discernment. Practically, this card encourages small, deliberate steps. Focus on one actionable move that leads you forward. Each step dismantles old mental patterns and builds confidence. Spiritually, this is about freedom of thought. Your mind, once trapped in loops of fear and obligation, begins to see possibilities instead of restrictions. Clarity and choice are returning. The third card is the Wheel of Fortune, showing the turning point. Life is starting to respond to your internal shifts. Pluto in Aquarius brings opportunities for change that feel aligned rather than forced. Emotionally, you notice relief and optimism. Things that felt stuck for years are slowly moving. Small wins, recognition, and unexpected openings give hope. Practically, flexibility matters here. The wheel teaches timing is key. Don't force outcomes. Notice what comes to you naturally and act where alignment is clear. Spiritually, this is about trusting cycles. The universe now responds to clarity, not effort alone. The grind is ending, and momentum starts shifting in your favor. The fourth card is the Ace of Pentacles, showing tangible, new beginnings. After years of pressure and slow progress, this card indicates opportunities for growth, stability, and self-reliance. Emotionally, this brings relief and optimism. You can see the potential for long-term success, and you feel safer making decisions because they now support you rather than exhaust you. Practically, focus your energy where you feel naturally capable and drawn. This is the time to plant seeds that grow steadily over the next cycle. Spiritually, the Ace of Pentacles reminds you that stability and abundance come when effort aligns with authenticity. The old grind has ended, and now your energy can support building a life that truly sustains you. If you want a complete personal forecast for 2026, covering finances, career, relationships, and growth after Pluto's shift, I'm offering a detailed 2026 forecast for $155. The fifth card is the Page of Swords, bringing mental clarity and curiosity. After years of slow, heavy energy, your mind is finally alert in a new way, sharp, observant, and ready to explore. You'll notice ideas flowing faster than before, and your ability to analyze situations improves. Emotionally, this card can feel exciting, but a little restless. You're eager to learn, ask questions, and test new waters. Pluto in Aquarius supports this curiosity. It's about thinking differently, seeing new angles, and finding freedom in knowledge. Practically, the Page of Swords encourages you to gather information, take notes, and track ideas. Small experiments, conversations, or observations now can become the foundation for bigger opportunities in the coming months. Spiritually, this card signals mental liberation. You are learning to trust your thoughts and instincts. Where once you felt trapped by old fears and doubt, now your mind guides you toward real possibilities. The sixth card is the Three of Pentacles, highlighting collaboration and teamwork. Pluto moving into Aquarius is not just personal freedom. It's about how you show up with others. For years, working with people may have felt stressful or draining, but now aligned collaboration brings tangible rewards. Emotionally, this card brings a sense of pride and acknowledgement. Being seen and valued for your skills is deeply satisfying, and it validates that the heavy pressure of the past cycle is ending. Practically, this is the perfect time to build partnerships, network, or join groups that amplify your talents. Using your skills in collaboration now produces results faster than struggling alone ever could. Spiritually, the Three of Pentacles reminds you that your gifts are meant to be shared. Success doesn't have to be lonely. By working alongside others in alignment, you step into the new cycle more powerfully. The seventh card is the King of Swords, showing authority, strategy, and personal mastery. Unlike the pressure of Capricorn Pluto, this king represents clarity, fairness, and informed decisions. Your choices now carry weight because they are intentional, not forced by obligation. Emotionally, this card brings confidence and calm. You stop doubting yourself, even in tricky situations. Communication becomes sharper, boundaries clearer, and tough decisions easier to make. Practically, this energy asks you to plan, structure, and systematize your life. Work, money, and personal projects all benefit from clear thinking and fair strategy. The authority you exercise now comes from self-trust rather than external pressure. Spiritually, the King of Swords is a reminder that wisdom gained through challenge is now your tool. You're stepping into power that is grounded, ethical, and sustainable, a marked shift from the survival mode of the past cycle. The eighth and final card is the Star, your ultimate confirmation of the Pluto Aquarius reward. After years of struggle, slow progress, and heavy expectations, the Star represents hope, renewal, and alignment with your authentic path. Emotionally, this brings deep relief, joy, and a sense of safety returning. The invisible weight that has defined your life begins lifting. You can dream, plan, and take action without fear or guilt. Practically, the Star encourages long-term clarity and sustainable growth. Success may not be immediate, but the steps you take now are fully aligned with your true self. Opportunities and guidance appear naturally, and the energy finally feels supportive. Spiritually, this card confirms that the 15-year Pluto cycle is ending. Your voice, creativity, and personal freedom are stepping forward. You're entering a period where growth feels expansive, and you can show up fully as yourself. Affirmation for Cancer. I release what no longer serves me. I step into clarity, freedom, and authentic growth. The cycle of pressure has ended, and I align with opportunities that support my true path.